Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, I'll show you a VS Code extension which will actually format your code in any language. So it's a great alternative to Prettier code extension inside VS Code. So if you don't want to use Prettier, which is a very popular code formatter extension for VS Code, it's got almost 60 million installs. So there is an alternative right here. Just go to the extensions tab and just type Biome. Biome. So this is the extension that I'm talking about, and it also does the same thing. It actually formats your code on save, code refactoring, inline suggestions, and more. So you can see that. So this is their website. If you go to this website, you can read more about it. It's a free open source extension. You can check out their GitHub page as well. So you can initialize this by using this npm command here to actually install this binary. So just make sure that you go to the terminal and first of all execute this command to install this binary. So go to the terminal, execute this command. So what this is, it will do, it will actually install this binary npx @biome.js slash biome init. So now it will ask you to install the file following packages. So you will say yes. So then it will install this binary which will be useful for formatting your code. So now to set up this extension, click the install button to install this extension globally inside your system, and now you will get this message, welcome to Biome. So first of all, you need to create this file here, which is biome.json. Right in the editor itself, it will automatically create this file for you, biome.json. And inside this file here, you will be seeing useful information, which files. So the formatter, it will just create a JavaScript file here, and inside this, let's suppose you have unformatted code. Right click, format document. Just make sure that no other extensions are there. So after doing this, go to the terminal, and right here you will see. So they have given all these commands here. So this command will format all the files which are present. So you will see automatically all your JavaScript will be automatically formatted. So it formatted 13 files fixed. So it supports all the programming languages. So if you don't want to use Prettier, you can use this extension. The command is simple: npx @biome.js format -- right. And if you don't want to, you can individually provide the file as well. So script.js is present in the same directory. So you will now see it will only format this file only. So all the JavaScript will automatically get formatted. So this is a very good formatter you can use. Biome, it is called as. This is their official website. So definitely check out this tool, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.